Have you ever, met someone new and the first thing they ask is, what do you do?
Yes, like every single time, Luna. It is so, boring.
Right? It's like, wait, welcome to English Pod Center, guys.
Oh, yeah. Welcome, everyone. I'm Lucas.
And I'm Luna. But seriously, Lucas, why do people ask this question so much?
I don't know, to see if they have, lots of money?
Maybe. But really, this question is a very big problem for English learners.
Wait, why is it a problem? It is just a simple question.
Because, well, it sounds easy, but people freeze. They get, very scared to answer.
Oh, right. Like they don't know the right words to say.
Exactly. Or they just say something like, I am student, which is, it is okay, but...
But it is missing something, like I am a student.
Yes, I am a student. But today, we want to help you sound much better than that.
So what do we say instead? If someone asks me, Lucas, what do you do?
Well, first, let's look at the question itself. What do you do?
Yeah, what does it actually mean? Because do what?
Right. Do you play tennis? Do you eat pizza? No, it means what is your job?
Okay, so it just means what is your job. Why don't people just say that?
Because native English speakers are, lazy. We love short questions.
Lazy. Okay, got it. So what do you do is just the lazy way to ask about a job.
Exactly. And a great way to answer it is the action plus place trick.
Wait, what? Action plus place? I don't get it.
Okay, imagine you are a bird.
A bird? Okay, Luna, I am a bird. Tweet, tweet.
If a bird has a job, it flies in the sky. Fly is the action, place is the sky.
Oh, okay. But humans don't fly in the sky for a job. Unless... Wait, pilots do.
Yes. So a pilot says, I fly planes at the airport.
I fly planes, auction, at the airport, place. Oh, wow, that is so simple.
Right? It is much better than just saying, I am a pilot.
Yeah, it sounds like a real person talking. It is very natural.
Let's try another one. What if your job is a teacher?
Okay, let me think. I teach students at a school.
Perfect. I teach students at a school. Action plus place.
Wait, what if I just work on a computer, like in a boring office?
Good question. Then you just say, I work with computers in an office.
Oh, I work with computers in an office. That is really good.
Yeah, it is like painting a picture in the other person's head.
A picture, I see. Instead of a boring word, you give them a little movie.
Exactly, Lucas. A little movie. Let's play a game. I will say a job. You make the movie.
Okay, I'm ready. Hit me.
Doctor. I help sick people at the hospital.
Yes, that is it. Okay, next one. Chef.
I cook food in a restaurant.
You are really good at this. Now, let's talk about a big mistake people make.
Oh no, a mistake? What do they do?
They use the word work wrong. They say, I work as teacher.
Wait, that is wrong? I work as teacher?
Yes. Remember the little word we talked about earlier? Yes. I work as a teacher. You can't forget the
I work as a teacher. Okay, why is English like this?
Because it likes to be annoying. Think of the like a hat. You wouldn't go outside without your hat, right?
A hat? Okay. So the job is wearing a hat. A teacher. A doctor.
Exactly. Now, what if the job starts with a vowel, like, actor?
Oh, I know this. It is not a actor, it is an actor.
Yes, I work as an actor. The N is just there so it sounds very smooth.
Like an actor. Yeah, a actor sounds really choppy, like a robot.
And we do not want to sound like robots here at English Pod Center.
No robots allowed. Only real, messy humans.
Wait, Luna, I have a question. Another question.
Go for it, Lucas. Hit me.
So if I meet someone, at a party,
Right, a party.
do I say, what is your job? Is that good?
It's okay, but it sounds, like a book.
Like a robot again?
Exactly. Real people don't usually say, what is your job?
Then what do they say?
They say, what do you do?
What do you do? That's so short.
Right, but wait, here's the tricky part.
No, I knew it. English is tricky.
It is. A lot of people mix up what do you do and what are you doing.
Wait, they're different?
Very different.
What do you do and what are you doing?
Think of it like two cameras.
Cameras? Like on my phone?
Yeah. What do you do is the big camera, your whole life, your job.
Okay, the big camera, my job.
And what are you doing is the selfie camera, right now, this exact second.
Oh, so if I say, Luna, what are you doing?
I'd say, I'm talking to Lucas on a podcast.
Because it's right now, the selfie camera.
Exactly. But if you ask, Luna, what do you do?
Then you say your job. I'm a teacher.
Yes, you got it.
Wow, that's actually really simple. Big camera, selfie camera.
So let's test you.
Uh-oh, okay, I'm ready.
I call you on the phone at 8 p.m.
Ring, ring.
Hello, Lucas. What do you do?
Wait, if I'm at home eating pizza and you say, what do you do? I say, I'm a podcaster.
Yes, because I asked about your job.
Even if I'm eating pizza right then?
Exactly. Your job doesn't change just because you're eating pizza.
That makes sense. I wish my job was eating pizza, though.
Me too. Now, what if I ask, Lucas, what are you doing?
Then I say, I'm eating pizza.
Perfect. You see the difference?
Yeah, I do. So, what do you do is just a polite way to ask about work.
It's the most common way. What do you do?
Can I add more words? Like, what do you do for work?
Oh, yes. What do you do for work is very natural.
Or what do you do for fun? Wait, is that a thing?
Yes, that's for hobbies. But if you just stop at what do you do,
It always means job.
100%. It always means job.
Okay, I have another one. What if someone asks me,
Go ahead.
what do you do, but I don't have a job right now?
Oh, good question. Really good.
Do I just say, I'm nothing?
No, please don't say that. You aren't nothing.
Phew, good. So what do I say?
You can say, I'm looking for a job or I'm a student.
Wait, so I just say I am looking for a job?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, but what if I am a mom? Like I just stay home with my baby.
Oh, that is a very big job.
Right, but you don't get money for it.
True. So you can say, I am a stay-at-home mom.
Stay-at-home mom or dad?
Yes, stay-at-home dad. It is very simple.
I like that. But what if I am old, like really old?
You mean you don't work anymore?
Yeah, you just sit and watch TV all day long.
You say, I am retired.
Retired?
Retired. Yes, it means you stop working because you are older.
Oh, okay. I am retired. Wow, I want to be retired right now.
Me too, Lucas. Me too.
So we have, wait, let me think.
Okay, let's practice.
Yes, practice. Quiz me, Luna.
Okay, I will ask the question. You answer. Ready?
I am ready. Hit me.
Hello. Nice to meet you. What do you do?
Nice to meet you. I am a doctor.
Great. Okay, new person. What do you do?
I am a stay-at-home dog. Wait, no.
A stay-at-home dog?
Dad, stay-at-home dad.
Your dog has a job?
My dog just sleeps. He is retired.
Okay, that is very funny. But yes, good practice.
This is fun. Ask me one more.
Okay, you have no job right now. What do you say?
Oh, I know this. I say, I am nothing.
No! Lucas, we talked about this.
I am joking. I'm just joking.
You scared me for a second.
I say, I am looking for a job.
Yes, perfect. You are learning very fast.
See, I am smart.
Sometimes.
Hey,
So now you know how to answer.
it is easy. What do you do means what is your job?
Exactly. It does not mean what are you doing right now.
Right. If someone asks me in the park, I do not say I am eating an apple.
Exactly, because that is what you are doing right now.
I get it. It is always about work.
You got it, Lucas. Now let's ask them.
Them? You mean the people listening?
Yes, everyone listening to English Pod Center right now.
Oh, yes, answer us.
What do you do?
Leave a comment. Tell us your job.
Are you a student, a doctor? Are you looking for a job?
Or are you a retired dog?
Please tell us. We want to know.
If you liked this lesson, please subscribe.
Yes, follow English Pod Center for more easy English.
See you next time, guys.
Bye, everyone.